Okay, so let us go to Europe JPY. Please listen attentively. Listen attentively, please, because I will still give you another assignment, and that is where we are going to fight. If you guys are not taking the assignment, we are going to fight. The first assignment was on Edwin. This one was on identify the coach. Is it not so?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes. Change of character.
Okay. Now, all right. Now, this is 4 hours time frame. Please let me go to daily. Let me go to daily time frame. Let me go to daily time frame, and then please don't mind these background cries. They are just a disturbance. I don't know. Somehow you will see that this trend, this market has been going bullish from daily time frame. Is it not so?
Yes.
Now, when
Yes.
you get to this point, then
Yes.
reverse. There is the reason why it's reversing there. We have not got to that class. That is a fair value gap and other block class. A fair value gap and other block class. That's when you know that's a swing class. Where you want to take your trade, how to take your trade, that's a real class for maybe you want to start taking your trade. But we want to understand the basic structure, because if you don't understand the structure, in fact, it will be disturbing. You won't understand this market very well. The foundation are not strong if you don't understand the structure. That is why I supposed to have stopped this structure last week, but I still need to continue this structure, because I see people didn't get the structure very well. Now, this is a uptrend market. Please, one thing I want you to know is that there is how you frame your bias. You frame your bias from higher time frame and look your confirmation from lower time frame. Let me just give you some key points. Now, if you frame your bias from weekly time frame, if you frame your bias from weekly time frame, your confirmation must be on 4 hours time frame. If you frame your bias on daily time frame, your confirmation entry must be on 1 hour or 30 minutes. The clearer you want. 1 hour. Me, I prefer 30 minutes. I love that 30 minutes at times. Give me clearer view. Then if you frame your bias on 4 hours, 4H, then your confirmation should be around 15 minutes. 15 minutes. What's wrong with 15? 15 minutes or 5 minutes. We call this time frame alignment. Do we get it? What I mean is that now I will give you what I will show you what I mean now. Is that this market has been buying since let me say from this point, Thursday 22 May 2025. Now it has been buying uptrend. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It has been creating higher. You can't see it clearly here because it is a daily time frame. If I switch it back to like 1 hour time frame, you will see the main structure, the formation. Do you get it? Now, when this market now get to this point, we call it a resistance point. There is something that is pushing the market down. Now, then this market now change formation, change formation, change formation. Now, how can we know that this market has changed? Then you go to, this is daily time frame. Assuming I'll frame my bias now, assuming
Yes.
that this place that this market turned, I've already know that this market will turn. Assuming I've already know that this market will turn, I use my picking tools to pick this exactly area. This is what you'll be using these tools to do. You'll be using it to pick this exact area. Now, you see that when this market get to this area, what happened to this place? They respect that area. Like something is buying. Then when they get to a certain area, then it started respecting it. Buyers are in control before. Now, seller want to take over the market. Assuming that I know that this place, this area, seller will take control, which I will already know. Because every area we tend to mark it. Now, when this market gets here, and I need a reaction, what is the main reaction I need? The main reaction I needed is a change of character. That's why I teach you a change of character, then a break of structure.
Yes.
Now, how can I know this market will change character? You can't know it, you can't see it clearly on this daily candle time frame. What is the next candle you are going to see it clearly on? Is 1 hour. Just switch to 1 hour interval time frame. When you switch to 1 hour, you will see that the structure will be very, very clear. Now, from this point, the market has been buying from 1 hour. From 1 hour, let me just pick from this place. From 1 hour, let us use our marking tools to mark it. This is a higher high. This is higher low. From this point, this one is higher. Yes, this one is higher. This is another higher high. This is another higher low. How to know where to mark is the point of reversal, where the thing is reversing from. That's when you will, the last candle that reversed, that's where you will put your point. This is this is another higher high. This is another higher low. This is another higher high. This is another higher low. You will see that all this price, they are respecting the higher low. They
Yes.
cannot go beyond the higher low. That is how you know price is following the trend. So as a
Changing.
good trader,
Okay. So
yes, as a good trader, you will just be following the trend. Like if maybe you meet the price around this area, the next thing you need to do is you wait for the price to come around your demand zone. Your demand zone. You wait for the price to clear liquidity. All this term I'm using, we are still going to get there. How to pick your trade. If I
okay.
want to pick my trade from this area, all this low too, they are lows, but they are internal structure, they are substructure, they are just minor structure, they are not in the main structure. So all this internal structure must be cleared for you to pick your trade. Once you are seeing internal structure like this, just be expecting price to come and clear it and mitigate a demand zone. This is a demand zone. This zone you are seeing. Do you see this zone? This zone you are seeing here. This zone I mark is a demand zone. Hello?
Yes, we are hearing.
Yes,
Yes.
we are
This zone I
listening.
mark. Let me zoom the zone very well. Let me zoom the zone so that you can see it clearly. Let me zoom it. You see the reason why I say it is a demand zone. there is a clash
Yes.
between buyers and seller. Their disagreement, their, let me say, their pricing market. Buyers are saying, I want to buy. Sellers are saying, I want to sell. That is how ranging come in. Somebody will tell me that this market, this area, they are ranging. Yes, I can accept that. This area is a ranging area. You get it? So you don't engage in a ranging market, you will get caught because you don't know where the market is going. But eventually, this market started buying. What's that telling you? Our trend is a bullish trend. Then it get to a point
Yes.
of reversal. It get to a point that created the higher low. Then instead of it to be moving, then they started consolidating, ranging. Then once just once like this, then the market started moving up. Then for you as a trader, you will know that point is a demand zone. We call it demand zone because demand buyers has gained control of that point. There will be some order that will be left behind. There will some order that will be left behind around order block. You just look for an order block there. We have not getting to order block class, so I will have teach you order block, but I'm not going to that. Then you now see that all this up and low that did not break structure, all this up and low that did not break structure will later be cleared, and eventually this price cleared all of them. They clear all of them. I told you that price cannot be going like this. It is impossible. Price cannot be going like this, going like this, going like this. If price is going like this, everybody will have become millionaire. Price will eventually induce some people, induce some less informed people. Then we clear all of them, clear their stop loss, clear their money. Then give it to people that they are well informed, and those people are the ones that will make money from the market. You see the way this price reacts here. Let me just use these tools to draw it. You see the way it reacts from this higher high to higher low. Then it went here, come back again, come here, come back again. Then break this structure just tiny. Then later now come inside here. Then boom. Let me bring this thing out. Let me bring this thing out. See, all this area, all this one, all this place, they are called internal structure. They are liquidity. Reason why they are liquidity is that they didn't break. This is the eye, Abby. This is the eye. Is it not so?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is the
Yes,
eye.
Yes.
This is the eye they're supposed to be that's supposed to be broken. But the only candle that break this eye, the only candle that break this eye is this one. This particular one. Is this particular one. They are the one that break this eye. This one here. What I did is that I bring out the textbook. We call this thing textbook aspect of the chart. Why this one is the main chart? Do you get it? You see the way I draw it?
Yes.
Actually, this is what I want to be. We want to be. This is the last higher high. This is the last higher low. This is the next higher high that cleared this present higher high. But I told you that the low that created a break of structure in an uptrend, that low is a liquidity. So what low? Which one of the low that created a break of structure? This low. Let me use another color. Okay, this low. This is the low that created the break of structure. Let me use this color. This is the low. Do you know that this is the low? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
We are following,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the low.
We are
This is
following
the
up.
low. This low here is a protected one. Why this low? This low is the one that come here, come pull back here, because this low did not clear this low. Assuming that this low cleared this low,
Yes.
I would have told you that this is the low. But this is the one that come here and break this structure. So this low that has broken this structure
Yes.
has become a targeted low and a liquidity for us to push the market. That is why this price later come down here and clear all this 1, 2, 3 low and mitigate the supply, the demand area. Then what do you see? Boom, all the way up.
Okay.
You know, if you leverage this on your MT5, you have been in a lot of money. A lot of money. Very. Let me delete all this because that's not where we are going. We are just like the Bible say ayaba, ayaba, just so that we will not be drawing textbook every time, every time. Don't worry, all these things that I'm drawing. When we get to how to pick your trade, you understand them very well. That's what they call liquidity and inducement. Without liquidity or inducement, trade will never work. Except you want to scarf. Now, as we are talking that this price has been bullish all the way. It has been bullish all the way over a month. You can see this low now. This low has been raided by this low. Do you see it? Price went like this, went like this, went like this, still come back and raid this low. Then creating a real higher low. Then create another higher high. Let me just put a text on this place. This is a higher high. This is this higher low, they are internal higher low. So it has been cleared. Let me put another one here. This is the last higher low that was supposed to be protected. Am I correct?
Yes.
Am I correct? This is the higher
Yes.
low that created this higher high that break this structure. This is a break of structure. Break of
BOS.
structure is very simple. It's just that if you are in uptrend, you must be expecting the last higher high to be broken. Once it's broken, that is a break of structure. And once it's broken, be expecting a retracement. But it is not immediately that the price will retrace. If price is trying to retrace, it will give you a sign. If you want to know the sign, let me give you a clue. Let me give you a clue. Let me delete this thing so that it won't disturb you guys. Okay. Let me give you a clue. This is 1 hour time frame, is it not so? This is the last higher high that created this higher low. Then some trader engaged in this market, and this market started buying and clear all this higher high, created another higher high. Now, if I want to trade the retracement, this is expansion. This is the expansion. Why this is the retracement? You get it? If I want to trace the retracement from 1 hour, which time frame do you think I will go?
15 minutes.
No. 1 hour, I will go to 5 minutes time frame.
Okay.
If it is 4 hours, I'll go to 15 minutes. If you check the time frame alignment I drew the other time, I think I've deleted it. Or where is it? I will soon go and look for it. If you check the time frame alignment I drew the other time,
Yes.
I said if price is in 4 hours, then you want to take a confirmation. A confirmation is you want to see a change of character. That's your confirmation. Now, I was now telling you that this price broke structure, but I want to engage in the retracement. I want to sell down in the retracement around this area. Where I will go is 5 minutes. Do you get it? I'll go to 5-minute time frame
Okay.
so that the time frame will be aligned with. I'll go to 5-minute time frame to see a shift in price, market structure shift. Let us quickly go to 5 minutes time frame. You see that the more you go to the more you switch the lower time frame is the more the candles. Now you see the 5-minute time frame here. I will not I will call you. Then let us highlight the structure, the 5-minute structure. You know, the 5-minute too is bullish, Abi.
Yes.
This is the last. This is higher high. This is higher low. I was just marking the last one so that we will get ourselves very clearly. So this higher low now created this higher high. All this market, it doesn't give you problem. It's just for you to understand the structure. What we are trading is structure. From 1 hour, well, daily. If you want to trade daily structure, go to 1 minute, 1 month candle to look for your bias. Then you trade daily structure. If you have a big capital, you get it. All this time frame,
Yes.
they have their own personal structure. Like right now, this is 1 hour time frame. So I want to trade the 1 hour time frame. So I will go to 5-minute structure to see where I can see a change of character. Now, we told you that in every uptrend market, bullish market, higher low must be protected. In this case,
Yes.
where higher low is not protected and is being clear, what happened?
Change of character.
That's the change of character.
Mm.
Now, I have seen my change of character. Oh, what is this? Center. This is my change of character. Do you see that this is the last higher low of this time frame, this particular time frame, 5 minutes?
Yes.
Now, after the change of character, then you now wait for some liquidity and other block around this area to pick your trade. That's what this market do. You just see that the market do like this. Here, come here, then broke this structure to change your character, then pick order from here, then boom. Do you see it?
Yes.
Do you see it? This is where the change of character occur. This is where the change of character occur. Why this market pick this order from here above 50% of the range level. From here, from this point, from this point to this point is the range level. So since that this market is above 50%, so I'm good to set any is above 50%. Yes, this is 50%, 0.5. You see that the price is above 50%, so I'm good to sell from anywhere. Anywhere I see, I can sell. Do you see the way we pick this trade from 5 minutes? This is 1 hour chart, but because I want to sell, do you get it? That is
Yes.
why I go to 5 minutes to look for change of character. So what is that telling you? That is telling you that in every of your market, in every of what you'll be doing, you need what? You want to trade. Any trade you want to trade, you need what? Change of character to occur. That is a good confirmation that that place truly we are selling or we are buying. If there's no change of character, if there's no market structure shift, market is not ready to. That's confirmation. That's giving you confirmation. That's giving you a confidence that, oh, truly, since that, no, this is logic. Since that we said in a bullish market, every higher low must be protected. And in the case where higher low is no more protected, that is what? That is that the market has been exhausted. The market is tired. Yes, that is change of character. Bullish buyers are tired. Sellers are gaining ground. That's the meaning. I hope you get the memo.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
So let us go to our 1 hour. Go to our 1 hour back. I just show you 5 minutes change of character. Because the trade we are trying to take is please can somebody go to our WhatsApp group and read that second assignment for me. Let me decode it, please. I don't want to go from. I don't want to move away from here. Can somebody check our? Hello, I'm waiting.
Identify a change of character from. Yes, identify a change of character from Euro JPY from 1 hour time frame.
Yes, Euro JPY from 1 hour time frame. You can see it, guys. That
time frame. Yes.
Where's my phone? Show me one there. Yeah. Okay. Now, this change of character is very, very simple. It's very simple. You can see that, in fact, it's very clear. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the higher high that created this higher low.
Yes.
This higher low already swept liquidity. You know, if you see, let us use these tools, these path tools. You see that when this higher high is coming, created a low here, come back up, created another low, come back up, then later come here and boom. Why? Why did that thing happen? It happened because all this low that is coming up and down, they have not cleared this higher high. So all this low, they have not cleared this higher high. Exactly. They are still a liquidity point. They are still a liquidity point. As we know that price is always seeking for liquidity for movements. Do you get it? So eventually, this higher low that cleared this liquidity, this is the liquidity I'm talking about. This is liquidity. This low, any low you found here that has been cleared, they are called liquidity. They are called inducement. They are lows that people are buying from. They think that that's where markets will buy. But market know how to do his things. Market come down again and clear all of them and started the real buy. Then the real buy now went up here, clear this main high. Imagine this real buy that clear all this liquidity that created this higher low. Price now later come down and clear this buy. That, you know that price is buyers are exhausted, that sellers are ready to gain ground. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So from this low here is called change of character. CHOCH. Change of character. So after the change of character, what do you expect?
Market
You expect the price to
retrace and continue
and
selling.
come and pick up and continue selling. Thank you. Now, how can you know where to pick your order from here? There is a lot of points. I pick my order from this point. I post it now. I even collect
Yes.
profit. I stop the trade. I collect the profit. Since I
Yes.
collect the profit, let me screenshot. Let me screenshot the trade. The two trade I sent that you should identify. Personally, I
Yes.
took it. I took it on my MT5, and I took it on my MT5, and I collect the profits. I close the trade because we are currently on weekend. Let me send it to the main chat. Let me send it to the WhatsApp group. Let me send it to you guys. You see that I took that Europe JPY around 172.091. This 172 exactly around this place. Why did I pick the trade there? First, I have cited my coach, change of character. This two trade leveraged me about $72. Let me see it. You can see here $74. There's commission and blah blah. This TPPNZD gained about 61. Although there's still some trade running. This is just a partial taking. Why the Europe JPY? This is just a quick sell. Gave me about $28. Now, these once I started my course, then I waited for price to react up above 50% range level.
Okay.
Do you see that it's above 50%? You get
Okay.
it? Now,
Yeah.
above that 50% range level, there is a liquidity. This is the liquidity. There is one higher. There's one
Oh.
higher low here. You get it? There's one
Yeah.
low here. I mean, there's one
Okay.
high here, guy. There's one high here that was created
Yes.
before that high to break structure. If you see, market cannot. You have to understand the way the market. Your own point, gone is where you need. Before this price come here and clear this coach, there is one structure that first clear this coach. Is it not so?
Yes.
There is one structure. There is one this point. It didn't clear it very well, though. It swept it
Yes.
and create a high. Then later come here to create a low. Then later come here to create a high. Then now come here to create a low. Hello, am I
Okay.
making sense?
Yes.
I don't just buy. I don't just buy. I buy with a reason. My first reason is that it is above 50% of the range. From this spot to this point of reversal, it is above 50% of the range. Then I look for an inducement, liquidity. I look for a recent low that just occurred. Then
Yes.
you will see that this is the low. Let me draw it. Let me draw it so that you understand. This is this this is the low that clear. This is the low that cleared the liquidity. But the clearing is not huge. You know, it's not a displacement. It's just a minor clear. This is the low that cleared the liquidity. Came here to create an high, then come back. Why this thing stopping? At times all this thing, maybe it's network. Sure. Okay, I'm coming. A moment, please. I want to bring out the structure from a textbook point. This is the low, create a high, having high, yes, create another low, create a high here, then now create the major low. Then for a pull back, then boom. Do you see the way I target it? See, the
Yes.
first low, the first high that clear, I mean, the first, when this market was cleared here, around this area, the first high that was created is my liquidity. That's my own. That's how I trade.
Okay.
If I see any point that clear a recent high, though I didn't trade it immediately, I make sure the displacement is small. That okay, the candle is much, it's heavy. That will be telling me that its true market is reversing from there. So I have to wait for this low to be taken. I mean, for this high to be taken. And eventually, when the high was raided, this is the high. This is the place that was raiding the high. What happened? There is
Okay.
a consolidation. In fact, as a trader that
Yes.
you have been trading for so long, you know that that area, in fact, you know that that area is very, very unique. When market get there, there is what? There is a respect in price. That price is respecting it. Price doesn't go further than that. When I just see that, okay, market has already get there, I just enter direct. Then I put my take profits. This is how I enter. I enter direct. I put my stop loss above this present high. Then I put my take profits here. This is almost 10 RR. Sorry. I put my stop loss above. You get it? But here too, if you want to look for confirmation here, maybe you are the one that love confirmation entry, that you want to see that is that place truly selling. You can go to confirmation. What candle time frame will you take?
5 minutes.
If you want to
5,
5 minutes, thank you very
5
much.
minutes.
Thank you. You go to 5 minutes to confirm if truly price is selling from that place. But as an aggressive trader, you enter, you know that that place that price is selling from is a very important place. Number one is that place, there is a daily fair value gap there, and there is an order block there. So aggressive trader will enter direct.
Okay.
You know, as this market is giving us this is the higher high, higher low, another higher high, another higher low, then created an higher high. If I want to confirm this trade with 5 minutes, this is the last higher low. You will see that it is the same thing over and over again, including 1 hour till even 1 minute, as the case may be. This is the last higher low. Is it not so? That created this higher high.
Yes.
I will not be just be doing it again and again. Now, tell me, what happened here? Hello, what
The
happened
market
here?
break. The market break the structure. Change of character.
Change of character. Thank you, thank you. Change of character happened there. See, change of character happened there. What is the thing that happened again? You will see that the thing is the same thing over and over again. After that change of character that happened, let me show you what happened in the higher time frame. Is the same thing that happened in the lower time frame. That if I want to pick this trade, if I want to confirm it, now after that change of character, what happened? There is a low here that created this high, present high. Then this high come here. What happened to the high? The high was swept. The market was sold down. It's still the same thing that this low that created this high that was created is my what? Is my liquidity point. So I can took my sell above this high. When I got my exchange of this is just a confirmation trade of that 1 hour.
Yes.
When I was
Yes.
saying, okay, I don't want to enter aggressively. I still want to confirm from lower time frame. But if you want to confirm from
Time
lower time
frame.
frame, your
So
stop
that
loss is
means
exactly. You say?
okay. So that means for the aggressive
So
entry you are talking about, say, if you enter for that upway, this okay. Yeah.
see, this is the
Okay.
liquidity. This is the liquidity point that I know that price will come back and take away. But this liquidity point is below 50% level. So price make sure it went inside deep down above this 50% before now started coming down to reverse. Do you get it? There is another
Yes.
liquidity here that price use again. One, because price use this liquidity, but because this liquidity is still below 50%, price need to engage the market above 50%. So it took these two liquidity at the same time. It took these two liquidity. You see it? There are some recent low in the market. So that's the first assignment. That's the second assignment I give you guys. That's what I just explained. I explained it deep down to even 5 minutes. I explained it down to 5 minutes. Hello?
Hi,
Yeah,
sir.
we are listening.
Yes, I've cleared all these Jagwadantis. What's wrong now? Okay. Let me go back to my 1 hour. Do you have any question on this Europe JPY before we go to the second one? The second one was the break of structure. Is it not so?
Yes.
Do you have question? Anybody with question, or should I just go to the next topic? Then you ask your question at the same time. Then we call it a day.
Okay. I think that one is much better.
So the second trade we are looking is Great British
First,
pounds. You say NZD.
the first question, the first
Yes, the first assignment.
yeah, it was you said
Nobody
okay,
read the
let me
first.
read it. You say out of what I have told you so far, check what is currently happening. Mark the
Okay.
structure from bearish till it changed to bullish in using 15-minute time frame.
For
15-minute
please,
time
can
frame
you read
for
it again?
GP J. You said? Can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Okay. He said, out of what I have taught you so far, go to GBP
Okay.
NZD and check what is currently happening. Mark the
Okay.
structure from bearish till when it turned to bullish using 15-minute time frame.
Okay. 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 So let's. Oh, I don't know. Network. What's wrong with this network now? Let's quickly go to that. Mhm.
No, JBP.
Great Big Bounce.
Can you hear me?
NZD.
JBP, yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, this is the point where we are engaging the market. This point where we are engaging the market. This is a QSM entry
Yes.
where
Yes.
uh,
Using
where another block has been violated. This is the other block that has been violated. Then market push up. Then come here, and come inside the other block back, and boom. That's what we are expecting to happen. You see, understand all these entry stuff and anyhow, sha. So when price come inside this, I've already marked it. When price come inside this zone, is a demand zone. When market come inside this zone, market that has been running from here down here is a bearish market. So
Yes.
for the market to flip back to bullish, something must happen. Let me go to 15-minute time
Yes.
frame to see actually what is happening in this price. Actually, what is really happening in this price. I think let me delete this speaking tool. Let me delete this speaking tools, this rectangle tools. Now, let's just mark it from. We know that this one you are seeing here, this one you are seeing here, is a bearish trend. Let's mark it from this point,
Yes. Yes.
this point, this point. This is the lower high, lower low. This place is the after this creation of this after the creation of this lower high, market come down here, create another lower low, then create another lower high. Let me give you the annotation on it so that you will not lost. Lower high is lower low, lower low. We shouldn't be using all these lower. Supposed to are familiar with all these things, but for the clarity of people that still don't get it very well, we still put it. I will tell you that in every downtrend market, this is 15-minute time frame. Our bias is from 4 hours time frame, so we are not
Yes.
going to that now. In every
Yes.
um, in every downtrend market, the lower high must be what?
Must be the
Somebody
lower
should
high
answer me now.
must be respected.
Yes, yes,
The
must
lower
be
high must be
respected, must be
respected.
protected.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. The lower high must be protected, must be respected. That market should not go further than
Yes.
the lower high.
Uh,
But in this case, I told you
High.
that you mark the break of structure from this bearish to. So you can call this place a break of structure of this trend. Abi, this is the break of structure.
Yes.
That's what I told you to do. This is the assignment I told you to do. Break of structure. Then from here to here too. This is another break of structure. You see that this lower low is being broken. It's always broken.
Yes.
That's to tell you
Yes.
that market is still fighting. So we expect price as this price is coming like this. We expect price to come here and slow down again, but it's not happening.
Go.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Why is it not happening? How's market doing? It's not happening because there is a demand zone around that area.
Buyers
There is 4 hours. I told you that your bias must be from an higher time frame. So my bias is from 4 hours. I see what I want to do there. I see a QSM forming. I see another block there.
Yes.
Then I know, okay, I can pick trade here. But before I can pick trade, I can't just jump into it. Price must switch. There must be a flip. Do you get it? Price must
Yes.
switch from,
Yes.
you want to buy and market is selling and you want to buy. So you must wait for your own buyers to get control. You must enter with buyers that are in control, not that you'll be pursuing the sellers. So you wait for market to change trend. How can you know that? How will you know that this market has changed trend? That's thing you need to do is to look for
Is when a
the
change
last
of
higher
character
high must not
happen.
be broken. Exactly. When the last higher high broke,
Yes.
the change of character has already happened. That is CH or CHOCH. So this is for
Yes.
the downtrend. This is for the downtrend. This is for the downtrend. This is for the downtrend. Why? This is for the uptrend. Price will never be smooth. Know that price will always go like a galloping along the way. You get it, guys? Price will never be smooth. So after the change of character, price now come down, and
And respected.
what happened? There is a liquidity point here
If
that price
retrace.
peak.
Yes.
In this liquidity point, price
Oh.
peak trade below 50%. Yes, the market is below 50%. So
Okay.
after market is below 50%, you must not take a trade above. Market must pass below. If it is a downtrend, market must below 50%. If it is an uptrend, market must above 50% of the range. Market must go deep below 50% of the range. That's part of your confirmation. You must know. You must always be familiar with your Fibonacci. Do you get it, guys? You don't play with your Fibonacci tools.
Fibonacci. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't play with it. You must always draw it. We call it OTE, optimal trade entry. Price must be at OTE level for you to continue the trade. So price flip from this place to this place. So this is the latest trend now. This place, and the new higher high. Hello, am I making sense?
Mm.
Yes.
Now this is a
Yes,
break
you are
of
listening.
structure.
Yes, yes,
BOS. This is a break of structure. You will see that I was just taking the last low, the last low, the last low that clear it. Now, where did I pick this trade? Do you know where I picked this trade? I told you that I gained almost 60 something dollar on the GBP NZDPS. I'm still running some others yes because I've not closed it finished.
yes,
I'll call you now. I picked this order from this demand zone. This is the same demand zone.
yes,
This is the same demand zone we saw the other time. This demand zone. All this low that did not break structure, they are my liquidity. All this low that did not break structure, they are my liquidity. So this is the last low that break the structure. And if you remember things that I've been telling you, that the low that break a structure is an inducement. The first low that break a structure is an inducement. This is the main low that we want, because this low that clear that break this structure, market will still come down and clear it into an order block. Hello, hello, is
okay,
somebody there?
okay,
You must always know that market is
yes,
not
yes,
just a
yes,
rocket. This
yes, sir.
price will be deceived. Price is decisive. If price is not like that,
You'll
how
be
can price
deceiving.
generate? So all these plays are liquidity point. When I see a price, this is what you know. When a price broke a structure, just go there, go down and look at all the liquidity, all the low that was created, and look for a point, your order block or a demand zone. If you saw a demand zone and you see a low above the demand zone, know that that demand zone will be valid for your order. That all those low, their liquidity, they will be cleared. That is how you pick your trade. You get it? Now we are expecting
Yes,
price. I will now tell you something. We are expecting price to do what? Price has not broken structure yet. The second structure. Do you know that? We are expecting price to broke this structure. Now, tell me, if this price broke this structure like this now, if this price broke this structure, all this low,
yes,
all this low,
yes,
all this low, they are my liquidity. Me, I will just come here.
yes,
I will just come here and pick this, and a very valid order block. This is where I will pick the second trade. I will just come here and pick the trade from here. This is what I'll be expecting next week to happen on GBP NZD, and target another structure. I might put my low here because that's the last swing. Always put your low at the last swing. Although this is a demand zone, but put your low at the last swing.
mm,
Then I expect this market to come here inside this demand zone below 50% level, and what? And boom, clear another structure. Guys, all this thing I'm showing you, I'm not supposed to be showing you this, but to tell you that the way we draw it from a textbook is different from chart. So that's why I'm using chart. I will give you assignment.
Yes.
If I give you the assignment, please go and do it. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Do it. Do it wrong. Don't worry. I want you to engage in the assignment so that the next time we have the class, because it is the assignment we are going to use for the class, you will now later understand very well. Oh, this is what this man is saying. This is what this man is saying. That's why. So next time you will do the assignment very well. So that will be all for tonight. You've already taken my time because I work. I'm very tired today. So I created a YouTube channel. Please go there
Like,
and subscribe because that YouTube channel is a foundation. Let me tell you the reason why I'm doing this. I was just trying to create a foundation for newbies trying to learn about forex trading. Because if you want to see a mentor teaching you like this, you are going to pay not less than $200. Seriously. And if you don't want to pay, you can be subscribing. You can be subscribing the like of Kenne, the like of King FM, King Forex, the like of Kojo Forex. You can be subscribing every month to their channel for Signal, like $100 every month for Signal purposes. These guys, they train this thing before they know it. Why can't you train it? But then, because of the price that people want to pay, some people don't want to pay the price because maybe they are afraid or they think or people or the price. For me, that time the price was very costly. To be frank, my first training was I went to buy ebook. I bought ebook. I bought courses, $13. I bought courses like 3 courses, $13 in 3 pages, $30. I bought another course, $20. I almost used like $70 to buy course, different course. I will just keep reading this, like you are reading textbook, no practical, nobody teaching you. So it seems very difficult, very, very difficult. So I know what I go through. We go through the YouTube. In fact, if you check my phone, I just delete some of the YouTube. I download YouTube like mad. I can watch a video 20 times and I will still not understand. The reason why is that nobody is mentoring me. So, but because I was desperate to learn, but I don't have money. So when I have all this knowledge, then I now remember that there are some people behind me too that they need this knowledge. They too, they are desperate to learn. They don't have the money. Some people have the money, but they are just stingy to spend it because they don't know the opportunity this market will give to them. So I now decided to create a foundation, Gemstone Academy Foundation. It's a free foundation, not just a ebook or no. This is a full mentorship. Like the mentorship, some guys are your mentorship you are gaining, you are taking. They are giving you that if you pay $200, $300, $400. That is just like an NGO. Do you get it? So
yes.
I created a YouTube channel for it. Let us grow the YouTube channel because this NGO, I intend to grow it bigger and bigger and bigger. Because after we finish this class, not today, I mean this batch, we are still having another batch. If you intend to join it, fine. But all the participants in this batch, I'm going to create a group for us as not a beginner, but intermediate trader. Until you now become a pro. Even if you become a pro, we can work together to achieve our goals. You get it? So I will create a group for us. I will add all of you guys there.
Yes.
Then after I add you guys there, you can now, okay, you have already passed all this stage. You pass all these BOS. You know what you do. You know what to do. So you, I'm coming up, please. A moment. Go and give me water. No, no, give me water. Sorry, I left my food since when we started this class. Just busy with food, so I left it, and I'm hungry. As I'm talking, I just need to put something in my mouth. Now, let me get back to the. Give me water, please. Mm-hmm. So, as a foundation, if you have any, maybe your brothers that didn't join us in the next batches, then we continue from there. The only thing we can do is to help the YouTube to grow, the channel to grow,
Okay.
because
Okay,
I
sir.
will, I will be dropping a lot of gems there. I'll be dropping a lot of gems. Personally, I will do a video, just drop it there, go and study it, do a short video. If I want to take a trade too, I will do in the trade, how I took the trade, drop it. So this is the last training on break of structure and coach. We are going to the next training. That is today is
Yeah.
Friday. That's on Monday. We go to the next topic. Please, what's the next topic? Who can remind us?
The next topic is strategy edge, support and resistance.
No, no, that's not the next topic.
That's
That's
the
not the next
second
topic.
topic, which is strategy edge, support and resistance.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I have the next topic here. Mm,
That's the topic, strategy edge. That's what it's there.
no, 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 no. Even if I don't check it, I know it offhand, but I just forget. There's a topic I'm hiding that I said I don't want to teach it now. I'm looking for this. This our. Can anybody just help me to post it? This is our topic.
Okay.
I've been searching for it. I didn't see it. If anybody sees it, let just post it on our WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, I was checking another group. I was checking another group, thinking I was checking this group. So we've
Okay. You
treated
have seen it. Okay.
market structure.
Yes.
We've treated higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. We've treated coast break of structure. There is number one. I said I am teaching last out of the market structure. That is internal and external rate liquidity.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
So we are taking internal and external rate liquidity next week. After that,
Okay.
then we go to strategy and edge. Strategy and edge. What are strategy? So there's a subtopic under strategy. Take it one by one. Any question for tonight class?
Um.
Let me just let me stop the recording. You can ask our question. Recording is over 1 hour.